Create a dot plot using the data in the table below. How many dots did you place above 2? Okay, so to create a dot plot, we're first going to need a scale here. And down here, this is going to be the number of books read. Okay, and let's go ahead and number this. So I see that our data goes from the smallest value of 3, it looks like. Oh, no, 2 is the smallest value, so we need to go from 2 to the largest value, looks like it's 9. So we need to go from at least 2 to 9. I would go a couple on either side of that. So let's just go ahead and go from 0 to 10. So we're going to put 0, 1, 2, 3, just make sure they're evenly spaced, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 will be at the very end there. And actually it's good, we don't need to plot a 10 because we ran out of room a little bit there. But we are able to go ahead and now plot all of our points here. This is a dot plot, so all we need to do is put some dots onto our graph here. So let's go ahead and go through all of our data one by one. So we have a value of 6 here. So I'm going to put a dot over the 6. We have a value of 8. I'm going to put a dot above the 8. We have a 9. Put a dot above the 9. And that's all we do here. We have 4. Put a dot above the 4. A 3. A 2. I see I have 2 values of 4 here. I see I have another 3. And you just put those right above the other dot. And a 5. 7. 6. And a 9. 8. It's going to go right above here. 4 and 3. 4 and 3. So that is my dot plot for the number of books read. I have all of the data here represented as dots in this dot plot with the number of books read on the scale here and then a dot for each one of those values that occurred so I can see how many people read 4 books easily. Instead of going through this list and trying to find all the 4s there, I can just look, oh, here's 4 books, and I can see that 4 people read 4 books. So a dot plot is an easy way to represent your data. Actually, let's go back to our question. It's asking us how many dots did you place above 2? So above 2, we look and we find 2. I see just 1 dot. So the answer to our question is 1.